I made over $12,000 from this trade in 24 hours, and in this video, I want to share a secret. Almost every trader is trading SMC and ICT concept, but not everyone is profitable, and that is because there are few details a lot of you are not paying attention to. And what I've been doing in the last 1 year I've been trading is to refine my strategy so I could actually increase my win rate and make more money for myself trading the market. If you're interested in this kind of video, then make sure to like this video right now, subscribe to this channel, because I'm going to share a lot of secrets in this video. Let's get started. All right, so first off, how I was able to identify this trade was simple. I started that from a bigger time frame, which is the daily time frame, and what you will notice is the coin is LIT. It has been in a steady uptrend in the past how many months. It's been moving up, higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. So what I've been doing is simple. Whenever this breaks structure to the upside, then I look for a confirmation entry to catch below here and ride it higher, and I've repeated that a couple of times. But I want to focus on this particular trade because this is the most recent one, which I closed just 2 days ago. Now, how I was able to identify this is I zoomed out backward, and what I identified was there's this key area here you can spot, which is sort of like your order block or a POI that led to this downtrend over here. So after I found this order block, I wanted to check if market was going to react from it, and let me show you what actually happened. I went down to a smaller time frame, which is the 1 hour time frame. All right, if you look at what's happening here, we came into the order block and we are having sort of like a rejection. I'm going to play it a little bit, and what did you see? We clearly came down from that other block, showing that there's kind of like a rejection from it, which could potentially be a sign for something to happen. All right, so since I've been able to identify that, I'm going to take this off. Now, what was next night? So I saw this liquidity grab or liquidity sweep, depending on what you call it. I'm just going to mark it as liquidity. So after I saw this liquidity grab, I'm going to play this price forward for you to see what happened next. And then boom, what did you see here? We actually came and swept this low. So to rephrase, we came into the order block, rejected down here, and instantly we went back and swept above that area that rejected initially. We swept above it, and what did you see next? We started trending downward instantly. This here is sort of like a clear confirmation that if I could get a trade at this top, I should be able to ride it and target lower prices somewhere around this area. And let me play the price forward for you to see. And what did you notice here? We sort of like broke below this low here. So I'm just going to mark this area here. Now, some of you take this area as your target if you're trying to get a trade from this point, but I'm going to tell you more about it later on. Now, since I've been able to identify this, so what I did was I went down to a smaller time frame, which is the 15 minutes time frame. Or what you can see here is the moment to grab this liquidity, we came down, went up a little again, but we couldn't go above these highs here, and we quickly swept below it. This here already shows me my chain instead of delivery, and initially if I had caught this trade, I should be able to have short it from here, but you can see it was actually a clean trade, which gave me from this area here down to this area here, down to this lows here, which would have perfectly given me a 1:5. Even if I want to increase my stop loss to these highs here to be protected, it will still give me 1:3, but I actually missed it. So what I did next was, since this order block here has been mitigated, I knew that the only order block that was unmitigated was actually this one right here. So I marked it and took it to the right here, took it down. So I'll play the price shortly. And I had my entry point here with my stop loss above these highs over here, this particular highs here, and I targeted lower prices. Now at this point, this was merely a 1:3. I was actually awake watching the market to see how it plays out before I get into my entry, because I didn't actually place my entry here. I was just waiting for my confirmation before I enter. And what I started seeing was like huge green candles. So it made me to be careful that there could be a potential that this used that momentum to sweep this area. So for people that are trying to short and they're having their stop loss above this area here, they could get mitigated. So what I did was I also identified this area here. Since I saw that, I was waiting for this area, which I felt it was kind of like an inducement, which the market was going to come and sweep. And due to that, I instantly adjusted my entry point to this inducement over here and had my stop loss slightly above these highs over here. And with that, it gave me a 1:9 trade. Just by refining my entry point, I got a 1:9 trade. And this was when I actually dropped it. If you go to my Telegram channel, I'm going to leave a screenshot of when I dropped this trade on my channel for everyone to join me in the trade. And let's play forward to see what happened. So the market came in there, tapped it, and started retracing. And boom, it did come back to my entry and started rejecting, although I was not awake monitoring it at this point. When I woke up somewhere around this point, and I saw that I was already sitting on profit. And from there, and boom, you can see the trade, easy peasy. It came down to sweep it. But let me be honest with you. So I did close the trade somewhere around there, which is a 1:6. This is for transparency. I didn't wait for it to get to my final take profit. That was because I was satisfied with my profit. And with my $2,000 I used as my stop loss, it actually gave me a $12,000 profit when I closed at this point. And I entered this trade in two different accounts. The first one is the Profem account, and then the second one is my real account. And my real account was where I made I used the $2,000 to make $12,000. Then on my Profem account, I also made numbers with it. Although for my Profem, I did a 1:3 actually. And the name of that Profem is called Breakout Profem. If you are trading crypto and you want to scale up very fast with the capital of other persons, I think the best platform you can use right now with guaranteed payout is actually Breakout. And if you'd like to try it out, I'm going to leave their link in the description so that you can actually sign up for it right away and get started with us. Also, I recently got a $100,000 account, so every of the trade I'll be taking is going to be in my Telegram channel. So if you want to join us, then make sure to get a Breakout Profem account and also join my Telegram channel right away. Once you do that, you'll be able to see whenever I drop every of those signals. So if you would want to be part of it, then join me right now. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is the end of it, and I hope you learned something from it. I will do further videos like this to share some of my trade insights and some of the trades I took and how I was able to come up with my entry point. Make sure to subscribe to this channel if you want to see videos like that, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.